Good morning. Thank you for joining my presentation. My name is GEO-Jong Kim from University of Kentucky. As shown in this slide, the topic I present from now is promoted effect of maleic acid as an additive on thermal dehydrogenation of ammonia borane. I would like to start with an outline of my presentation, which is divided into 5 components. In the beginning, motivation and background on my research will be introduced. Then, experimental part will be briefly discussed. Finally, our result and conclusion will be presented. First, I want to talk about why this research is necessary. Recently, global demand for energy is increasing due to population growth. However, fossil fuels are limited, and it has an environmental problem due to large amount of carbon dioxide emissions. In addition, as a growing number of governments setting targets for carbon neutrality, energy sources to replace fossil fuels are demanded. So much research is being conducted on how to secure sustainable energy source to replace fossil fuels. Among the various alternative energy sources, hydrogen is promising energy source in recent years because hydrogen has 2 advantages. Firstly, hydrogen is eco-friendly energy source. Hydrogen only produces water when it is converted to energy. Also, hydrogen has the highest calorific value per mass. For example, the calorific value of 1 kilogram hydrogen equals 2.6 kilogram methane or 3.1 kilogram gasoline. Accordingly, a lot of research on the hydrogen has been conducted. Hydrogen beakers are typical hydrogen energy applications. These hydrogen beakers require 110 kilowatt-hour of energy for 350 miles of driving. In order to achieve 110 kilowatt-hour energy for nickel battery, it required 1,600 kilogram. For lithium battery, 450 kilogram. Gasoline, 40 kilogram. While hydrogen only 5.6 kilogram. But hydrogen has critical drawback. It is, hydrogen has poor energy density by volume. For this reason, cryo-compressed hydrogen used. However, cryo-compressed tank requires high pressure and super-insulated tanks. So this process requires 125 kilogram weight due to the weight of the tank. For this reason, a cryo-compressed tank is not suitable for small portable equipment, such as unmanned aerial beaker or drone. So to applicate small motorized beakers, we need efficient hydrogen storage methods for reducing process weight. Hydrogen storage technologies are divided into physical or chemical storage. As mentioned earlier, physical storage is not suitable for our system. Chemical storage are various, but solvent technologies have a problem of low hydrogen storage capacity. Also, metal hybrid technologies need too high temperatures So this is method not suitable for forward systems. On the other hand, chemical hybrid technologies are more suitable for forward system because it can generate hydrogen through the reaction with water or by heating at low temperatures. Today, numerous chemical material for hydrogen storage has been studied. Nevertheless, no technology is able to meet the 2020 system targets announced by DOE. To meet DOE target, ammonia borane promising candidate for hydrogen storage because it has high hydrogen content and can easily produce hydrogen. So in this present work, we studied the efficiency method to produce hydrogen from ammonia borane. Now, let me talk about the dehydrogenation of ammonia borane. Dehydrogenation of ammonia borane has two reaction routes, which is hydrolysis reaction using water and the thermolysis reaction using heat. Hydrolysis has advantage that low reaction temperature and high exothermicity. However, hydrolysis has problems such as low theoretical hydrogen yields, the need for catalyst, and large amount of ammonia productions. Ammonia is able to poison PEM fuel cell systems. On the other hand, thermolysis is suitable for a forward system due to it has high theoretical hydrogen yield and more easily regenerable products. However, thermolysis requires a high reaction temperature. So to apply thermolysis, the onset temperature must be reduced. For this reason, in this study, we conducted an additive study to decrease onset temperature ammonia borane thermolysis. It is a schematic diagram of experimental equipment. The experiments were carried out using a stainless steel batch reactor. In this study, we used maleic acid as an additive. Also, the mixture sample were prepared by mixing ammonia borane with maleic acid. And then starting at room temperature, the reactor was heated at constant heating rate to the set point temperature. And lastly, hydrogen yield was calculated via the changing pressure by released hydrogen. And hydrogen equivalent was defined as the number of hydrogen moles generated for mole of ammonia borane. Let me talk about the result. First of all, we performed neat ammonia borane thermolysis. And this figure is shown profile for neat ammonia borane at the set temperature 90 degrees. For neat ammonia borane thermolysis, hydrogen was released gradually from ammonia borane, and only 2.48% hydrogen yield was achieved for 30 minutes at 90 degrees. As you can see, the thermolysis of neat ammonia borane has slow kinetics, and the hydrogen equivalent was only 0.29. On the other hand, for ammonia borane thermolysis with maleic acid, high hydrogen yield of 6.28% was obtained, with extremely rapid hydrogen evolution. In addition, it showed that temperature increased up to 200 degrees in a few seconds. This result is because the thermolysis reaction is exothermic reactions. Also, it was found that onset temperature significantly decreased by the addition of maleic acid. And lastly, it is noteworthy that hydrogen equivalent of 1.63 was achieved. This result indicates second step analysis partial occurs by released heat from the first step. Based on the result, we confirmed that maleic acid promotes ammonia borane dehydrogenation. Next, we performed some lattice experiment with varying set temperature to investigate when the dehydrogenation of ammonia borane maleic acid mixture starts. As shown in this figure, it was found that 60 degrees is the minimum set temperature to obtain sharp hydrogen evolution. And to investigate why the one set temperature decreased, we performed TG analysis of neat maleic acid and neat ammonia borane. However, it was shown that neat ammonia borane and maleic acid are summarily stable below 80 degrees. As you can see in left figure, rapid dehydrogenation from ammonia borane maleic acid mixture started at 60 degrees. Even though ammonia borane and maleic acid are independently stable below 80 degrees. Given this result at 60 degrees or below, maleic acid is expected to interact with ammonia borane to initiate dehydrogenation from ammonia borane maleic acid mixture. Finally, we carried out FTIR analysis to understand the mechanism of ammonia borane dehydrogenation with maleic acid. As a result, PO bond and CO bond were formed via the reaction between BH bond in ammonia borane and OH bond in maleic acid. This result indicates that maleic acid was converted to maleic anhydride by the loss of hydroxyl group, which hydrolyzes ammonia borane. Based on the result, it is believed that the heat released from the hydrolysis between ammonia borane and maleic acid, and then it triggers the thermolysis of ammonia borane. So we suggested the following mechanism. Finally, we obtained the following conclusion. In this study, the effect of maleic acid as an additive on hydrogen release from ammonia borane was investigated. Especially, the onset temperature of ammonia borane dehydrogenation was significantly reduced to 60 degrees. The result of FTIR analysis indicates that while heating ammonia borane maleic acid mixture, the hydrolysis between ammonia borane and maleic acid occurs and generates heat, which triggers further thermolysis of ammonia borane. At 40% maleic acid, we obtained hydrogen yield 6.28% and hydrogen equivalent 1.63. The results suggest that ammonia borane dehydrogenation with maleic acid is promising for PEM fuel cell applications. This research is supported by Agency for Defense Development in South Korea. Thank you for your attention on my talk again.